In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Gemini 2.0 language on Android. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to look for, so the app's interface and responses appear in the language you prefer. First, go ahead and open the Gemini app on your Android device. Let it load to the main conversation screen. This is where you typically start a new chat or pick up where you left off. Next, look at the very top area of the screen, near the center. On many devices, you'll see a selector or label that lets you choose the model version. If you can see the option for 2.0, tap it and make sure Gemini 2.0 is selected. This tells the app to use the newer model for your chats. On some setups, that selector might not be visible all the time. If you don't see it, don't worry. Your app may already be using 2.0 by default, or the option might only appear in certain regions or builds. The important thing is that, when available, you pick 2.0 before changing the language, so your preferences apply to that experience. Now, it's time to reach your account settings. Tap Profile. You'll usually find this by selecting your avatar or profile icon at the top right. This opens your personal settings for the Gemini app, where you can adjust preferences that affect how the app looks and behaves for you. Inside the profile settings, tap Language. This is the place where the app centralizes its language options. You'll see a list of available languages. Browse the list and select your language. Once you choose it, the app should update the interface text, menus, and the default language Gemini uses to respond to you. In many cases, the change is immediate. If parts of the interface don't switch right away, give the app a brief moment to refresh. The next time you start a new chat, Gemini should respond in your selected language automatically. A few quick tips while you're here. Some languages might have regional variants. Pick the one that matches your preference if you see multiple options. Also, remember that your language choice affects both what you see on screen and the tone and language Gemini uses when it replies, helping your conversations feel more natural. That's all there is to it. Open the Gemini app, confirm you're on 2.0 if you can, tap Profile, then Language, and select the language you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Gemini in the language that fits you best.